We specialise in the designing and manufacturing of unique automotive styling kits. We offer products for some of the most well-known cars on the road, BMWs, Audis and Volkswagens. We're also the exclusive distributor within the UK of Maxton Design products. In addition to this, we're also the market leader in the distribution of external car accessories within the UK. Essentially, we just ran out of space, to put it simply. We needed a lot more space to accommodate for the growth of the company. We've been working in the old unit for a couple of years and we'd outgrew that pretty quickly. We're even at the point where we had additional units rented out just to accommodate for some of that space that was required. That's when we kind of just took a step back and decided to look elsewhere, and we kind of set on the place we're in now in Leeds. And although there is a lot of space here, we needed to better optimise that space so we could store more products. And that's when we got in contact with a few companies and set up with Nexus, because we felt they could kind of carry out the plans or the vision we had in our head properly. Because of their knowledge in the industry, it made it a lot easier for us and it was a lot more comfortable throughout the whole process. Of course, we took a look at their website as well before contacting them, and they've clearly got a great track record on there of other projects they've worked on. And this was the first of a kind for us in terms of how big the project was. So having a company that knew exactly what they were doing and could answer any sort of question we had, again, it made the process just so smooth for us. I think one of the main things was deadlines. Moving from our old unit, we had to get in as quickly as possible to here. So the schedule they'd given us prior to starting the work, they were on time with all of that, which helped us manage everything we needed to. Alongside that, they also managed all the subcontractors. So again, less of a headache for us and we could focus on fewer things, which made the whole process easier. Of course, the communication was great too. We only had to speak to one or two people throughout the process. So if we had any questions, they'd always get back to us really quickly with answers that we needed. They were professional throughout the process, which were big for us. And on top of that, you could clearly tell they loved the project that they were working on, which made the whole process enjoyable for us. I think the main thing for us, especially as a big warehouse storing a lot of products, is the dispatch process. Having more space and having everything in place, especially this mezzanine, it means we can pick, pack and process orders so much quicker and so much more efficiently than we've done before. The whole process is more streamlined for us now. On top of that is the employee wellbeing. Of course, for our warehouse staff, their jobs just become a lot easier now we've moved into this unit. With the new facilities we've got in place, the mezzanine and all the storage, it's just made it so much easier for them to do their job properly, really. It was definitely a great decision for us to choose Nexus after the overall experience we had. They met our requirements, they completed the project on schedule, and overall it was exactly what we needed.